Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports spatial video and that iOS is current. This ensures the phone will capture depth data. Once done, open Camera, switch to Video, then tap the Spatial/3D icon to enable the mode. Make sure you select the lens and framing, 1/2 or 1x for closer subjects, 2x for distant subjects, because lens choice affects depth fidelity. You don't need ProRes for most clips. Leave it off unless you plan heavy color grading. You'll now compose with depth in mind. Keep subjects centered within the camera's effective depth range and avoid backlit or reflective scenes that confuse depth sensors. Move smoothly, use a gimbal or a steady two-handed grip, and walk with your knees to minimize vertical shake. Make adjustments. Tap to lock exposure and focus, and use exposure compensation for bright or dark areas. Once you begin recording, maintain consistent speed and angle so the spatial data stitches cleanly, and finish by reviewing your clip in photos and examining the parallax and depth cues. This tells you if the capture succeeded. When ready, export via Share and choose Spatial Video Export if available, or import into iMovie/Final Cut to trim while preserving depth metadata. If the 3D appears flattened or noisy, restart the camera app, move around the subject to recalibrate sensors, and avoid shiny surfaces. Finally, try shooting a short test clip to confirm settings before recording the full take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.